Welcome to Dunya Echoes. I'm Sarah. Hey, I see you. You've been working hard, day after day. Giving your all to your job, your responsibilities, and everything that pulls you in 100 directions. The pressure is real, and it's okay to admit you're tired. It's okay to feel drained. Because being human means we get tired too. Sometimes the world expects too much. There's always more to do. More emails to answer, meetings to attend, and deadlines that seem endless. And in the middle of it all, we often forget about someone very important. Ourselves. Maybe you feel guilty when you think about taking a break. Maybe resting feels selfish. But let me tell you something. Rest is not selfish. Rest is essential. You are allowed to rest. Your body, your mind, and your soul need time to recharge. Just like the sun needs to set so it can rise again. You need moments to pause, to just be. You don't need to earn your rest. Simply being you, just as you are, is enough reason to reward yourself. Rest can mean many things. It can mean a quiet walk in the park, listening to the birds sing. It can mean taking an afternoon nap or reading a book you love. It can mean doing absolutely nothing, and that's okay. Rest isn't about being productive. It's about giving your heart space to breathe and your mind a break from the noise. And when you take care of yourself, you come back stronger. Ready to do the things you love, without the weight of exhaustion holding you down. Self-love is not a luxury. It's a necessity. It's about honoring yourself and knowing that you matter. Even when the world tells you to keep going nonstop. So tonight, or tomorrow, give yourself permission to rest. You are worthy. And you are enough. Thank you for being here. And remember, taking care of yourself is a gift. Not only to you, but to the world. Because the best version of you is a rested, joyful you. Until next time, take care and be kind to yourself.